Hello friends, hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty and by the blessings of your parents. Myself Muhammad Asif Iqbal, me a UPSC faculty here in Shaheen IAS Academy, Bidar. I teach two subjects, Polity and Csat. Today we will discuss about Csat. Today we will discuss one of the important topic in Csat, that is dice. Friends, we all are familiar with dice, cube and cuboid. What is the difference between dice, cube and cuboid? Friends, when it comes to dice and cube, both are one and the same. So what are those? We have six faces, 8 corners, 12 edges, and these six faces all are equal. It is nothing but square in shape. When it comes to cuboid, this is nothing but rectangle. It's nothing but rectangle. So friends, now this is a cube. We will discuss in the next session. We will discuss about cube and cuboid. Just for time being, cube. So what are the things that we will be learning in cube? See friends, so this friends, okay, so just now we have discussed how many faces are there. Six faces. How many corners are there? So how many corners? 8 corners. And how many edges are there? There are 12 edges. So in the cube and cuboid, what we will be learning: single face, single face, double face and triple face color. How many such small cubes are there in a big cube whose single face colored, double face colored and triple face colored? So this we will discuss in the cube and cuboid session. Friends, now we will discuss about dice. Now friends, in this dice, so first we have two kinds of dice. One is standard dice, another one is general dice. Then what is standard dice and what is general dice? Standard dice, friends, so if the sum on opposite faces is equals to 7, then it is known as what? Standard dice. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Friends, so here 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 4. So this is 7, 7 and 7. Yes, and so here, so 1 is opposite to 6, 2 is opposite to 5 and 3 is opposite to 4. If I draw a standard dice, if this is 1, 2 and 3, this is a 2D of dice, so wherein the three faces are visible, wherein if I take 1, 2, 3 on the visible faces, then as per this standard dice concept of standard dice, then what is the number which comes opposite to 1? It should be 6. The number opposite to 2, it should be 5. The number opposite to 3, it should be 4. So here the sum on opposite faces, 1 plus 6, 7, 2 plus 5, 7, 3 plus 4, 7. So the sum on the opposite faces, if it is equals to 7, then this type of dice is known as standard dice. Now when it comes to general dice, so if the sum on adjacent faces is equals to 7, then this type of dice is known as what? General dice. Okay, like for example, okay, 6, 1, 5, 2, 5. Okay, 6, 1, 5, 2, and one more I will draw it here. 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. Friends, look at here. So 6 plus 1, 7, 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 3, 7. So the sum on the adjacent faces, if the sum on the adjacent faces, if it is equals to 7, then this type of dice is known as what? Standard dice. Standard dice. Now friends, now we will analyze the dice. Now we will analyze the dice. Now friends, so A, B, C. So what are the possible ways in which they can ask the question? The first one is, shall I say A is, yes, A is adjacent to B, B is adjacent to C, and C is adjacent to A. So means what? The one possibility is they will ask what is adjacent. The one possibility is they will ask adjacent. The other possibility is what is the opposite of A, opposite of B, opposite of C, I don't know. So they will ask opposite element. And the third, friends, this is a closed dice. Okay, and they will give close, they will ask open dice, and they will give open dice and they will ask closed dice. Yes, like I will just give one example. We will discuss in detail about open dice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So friends, yes, this is closed dice and this is open dice. So the one possibility is they will ask adjacent. What is the adjacent of A, B and C? They can use any element, we will discuss now. They will ask what is the opposite of A, B, C, or any element in place of A, B, C. And the third possibility is, okay, they will give closed dice, they will ask open dice, and they will give open dice and they will ask closed dice. Friends, now we will discuss what are the elements that can be used in dice. Okay. One thing is character A to Z. Second is integer 1, 2, 3 till n. And third is, yes, special character. Special characters, like on the keyboard from F1 to F12 you have seen this some special characters like exclamation, star, hash, dollar, okay, and so on and so forth. And the fourth possibility is geometrical figure. Geometrical figure like three-side triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, circle, and so on and so forth. Even they will use this nums log key like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on and so forth. So friends, the elements which can be used in dice is characters, integers, characters from A to Z, any characters, integers from 1, 2, 3 till n, special characters, okay, like exclamation, star, hash, dollar, rupee, and so on. Even they can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And one more possibility is that they may use the geometrical figures, okay, in place of this ABC. So these are the friends, these are the elements which can be used in dice. Now friends, so here just now we have analyzed, okay, we have analyzed dice. Okay, these are the three to four possible ways in which they will ask question, and those are the elements that can be used in dice. Now friends, just now we have discussed about the standard dice and general dice. When it comes to standard dice, by default we will come to know what is opposite. 6, the opposite of 6 is 1, 6 plus 1 7, the opposite of 5 is 2, 5 plus 2 7, and the opposite of 4 is 3, 4 plus 3 7. So they will not give standard dice. They will not give standard dice directly. They will use the concept of standard dice and they will ask general dice. They will ask general dice. So now then we have friends, we have three fundamental rules to solve general dice. So what are those three fundamental rules? Let us see. Yes, so yeah friends, this is standard dice. Look friends, here 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 7, okay. So 6 plus 1, 6 is opposite to 1, 6 plus 1 7, so 3 is opposite to 4, 3 is opposite to 4, 3 plus 4 7, so 6 is opposite to 1, 6 plus 1 7, 2 is opposite to 5, 2 plus 5 7. So then this type of dice is known as what? Standard dice. Yes. Now friends, this is a general dice. Just now we have discussed the sum on the if the sum on the adjacent faces, if it is equals to 7, then that type of dice is known as what? Standard dice, like x and y, x plus y, x plus z, and z plus y. So if the x plus y is equals to, if x plus y is equals to 7, z plus y is equals to 7, and x plus z is equals to 7, then this type of dice is known as what? General dice. Now friends, now we will discuss about some three fundamental rules which can be used to solve general dice problems. Okay, in that first fundamental rule is single common rule. Single common rule, that is we also known as what? Rotational rule. We will rotate this into clockwise direction. Friends, here in this we have two types. Okay, two types. Look at friends here. Yeah, so this is example 1 and this is example 2. Now in the first example, look, which is the element in the given two dice, okay, which is the element which is common, okay, so here 3. And in the second example, the element which is common in both the dice, 1. Then what is the difference? The difference, friends, here, the position of 3 in both the dice is same and the position of 1 in both the dice is different. Now how to solve using single common, that is rotational rule. Now in the example 1, when the position of element in both the dice is same, then the number which is left will come directly opposite to each other. 5 is opposite to 6 and 4 is opposite to 2. Simple trick, friends. At the same time, if so the element in both the dice are same but they are in different position, then how to solve this? We will rotate this, that is known as rotational rule. We will rotate this in clockwise direction. This we will rotate it in clockwise direction and we will solve it. 1 3 5, 1 3 5. This is 1 2 4, 1 2 4. Now in this 3 is opposite to 2, 5 is opposite to 4. What is the number left? 6. So 1 is opposite to 6. 1 is opposite to 6. Friends, now look, so this is a simple trick which saves our lot of time, okay. And if the element which is same on two different dice but they are in a different position, then we should use rotational rule, okay. Can we apply the rotational rule for this? Even after applying, will we get the same answer? Yes, definitely we will get the same answer. Which is the element which is common here? 3 3. Okay, now rotate this in clockwise direction. Rotate this in clockwise direction. Now look, 3 5 4, 3 5 4, 3 6 2, 3 6 2. Now yes, 5 is opposite to 6, 4 is opposite to 2 and 3 is opposite to, yes, what is left? 1. So yes, look friend, 5 is opposite to 6, 4 is opposite to 2 and 3 is opposite to 1. So with the help of this rotational rule, even the rotational rule is applied for this, for both example 1 and example 2. So you need to just observe the difference between these two. If the position of common element in both the dice are same, okay. So when it comes to 3 and 3, so you have same position. Simple, I need not to solve also. The element which is left on the respective faces, those are opposite to each other. 5 is opposite to 6 and 4 is opposite to 2. Now when it comes to here, the element which is common in both the dice but they are in the different position, use the rotational rule in the clockwise direction and just put it and you will get the answer. So I hope friend, I hope and I believe that you have understood, and the concept is very simple, and the trick, you just try to remember this trick now, okay. Now so friends, now second rule is known as what? Double common. What is double common? The name itself is indicate double common. So in the previous rule there was single element common in both the dice. Now in this, so there are two elements which is common in both the dice irrespective of their position. So the number which is left, they are opposite to each other. So 2 is opposite to 4. Over. I need not even solve also. I need not to even solve. So friends, I repeat, the element, the name, the rule itself is indicate double common rule. So in the given dies if the two elements which are same, excluding those two elements, common elements, the number which is left or the element which is left, they are opposite to each other. They are opposite to each other. Yes. Now last rule, third rule. Now adjacent rule. Okay, the name itself indicate adjacent rule. What is this adjacent rule? Let us see, friends. Again, so in this is example 1 and this is example 2. Now we will understand this adjacent rule with the help of these two example. Now 4 2 6 4 3 5, which is common? 4 is common. Okay, how many faces are there? 6 faces. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. There are 6 faces. Now what is the question here? The question is, what is opposite of 4? The 4 is a common element. The 4 is a common element. ठीक है. Now friends, they are asking opposite of 4. Now the number which is adjacent, can that number come opposite to that element at the same time? Is it possible? No. Like for example 2 and 6 adjacent to 4. Can 2 and 6 come opposite to 4? No, it's not possible. So 2 and 6 gone. And 4. Here 3 and 5 are adjacent to 4. 3 and 5 are adjacent to 4. Is it possible the 3 and 5 number can come opposite to 4? No. Then what I left? I left with 1. So means what? 4 is opposite to 1 and 1 is opposite to 4. This is known as adjacent rule. Take the adjacent numbers or elements, whatever the element that they have given, eliminate it one by one. Eliminate it one by one. The number which is left, okay, so that number is opposite to the given question. Yes. So just take the adjacent element, the number which are adjacent, that they cannot come opposite to the given element. So what is the number remaining? So that number will come opposite to that. Now next example, we will take this second example. What is the opposite of C? What is the opposite of C? I don't know. Let me see. So these two and these two. I will take these two example now. So which is common here? C. Okay, I will take C. C is common. Now again, how many faces are there? 6 faces. And what are the elements that they have used here? Characters they have used characters. So let me take 6 character. Let me take 6 characters. Okay, A, B, C, D, E and F. They are asking opposite of C. Now A and B are adjacent to C. Okay, A and B are adjacent to C. Is it possible the A and B can come opposite to C? No. D and E are again adjacent. D and E are again adjacent to C. Is it possible that the D or E can they come opposite to E at the same time? No. What I left? I left with F. I left with F. So C is opposite to, yes, C is opposite to F. Over, friends. Again, I need not go further, but still we will clear the concept. We will take these two example. In this, which is the common element? Which is the common element here in these two? E. E is the common. Okay. So again, A, B, C, D, E and F. C and D are adjacent to E. Is it possible the C or D can come opposite to E? No. F and B are adjacent to E. F and B are adjacent to E. So what I left? I left with A. I left with A. So A is opposite to E. So here A is opposite to E, C is opposite to F. Then what I left to? I left with B. So B is opposite to D. Yes, friends. So these are the three simple fundamental rules to solve general dice, and they may use the concept of standard dice, and they may ask for us to solve general dice. How they will use the concept of standard dice and they will ask us to solve general dice problem, that we will see in the next session. So friends, this is the simple basic concept of closed dice. In the next session, I will discuss about problem. We will discuss and we will solve some conceptual important previous year problem, including some of the important conceptual problems. So until till then, we will meet you in the next session. Thank you so much.